This is how to add components in Jira. From your dashboard, go to Projects, select your project you want to add components, and click these three dots. Go to Project Settings, and go to Components. Then click Create Compass Component. Select a type. I'll choose Application, create a name, and choose an owner team. So you can create a team, let's say devs, and click create. And for your repository link, you can use GitHub or GitLab and paste the link here and just click create. So that's it. This is how to add components in Jira.